So who should take this course? This course is particularly relevant for traders and investors who are looking to automate their trading or investing process. So if you are a trader or investor who, for example, has a very systematic process for identifying opportunities in the market, you have a systematic process for scanning stocks, or maybe you have a systematic process for entering and exiting your trades or investments, then you can use this course to either fully or semi automate your trading or investment process. This course is also relevant for engineers and developers who are looking to build a career in the field of quantitative finance. So, Interactive Brokers is the broker of choice for a lot of quant firms, fund houses, and professional traders. And they're always on the lookout for skilled quantitative developers who can help them build custom trading or investing applications, automated executions, and a lot of things. So, this course will help you build the skill set required in this field. If you are a hobbyist who has a good knowledge of financial markets and are interested in the field of algorithmic trading, then you can also take this course. However, I would suggest that you also go through the course prerequisites because this course requires Python programming experience and you also need to have a basic understanding of financial markets. We won't be going into the basics of financial markets like how the market works, what are stocks. So we assume that you already have this basic understanding of the markets.